Yo, what I guys are back here for another episode of Spy Family. Today we got season 2, episode 6, the Fearsome luxury cruise ship. Last episode we left off with she's getting the job, and it was to protect the a family that was in the mafia business, so gangster evil, you know. They got a hit on them from, I don't know, some rival maybe. So only the wife and kids survive, and they're migrating like, okay, we're leaving this life behind us. This isn't the life for us. They're leaving Yor has to protect them on a cruise ship. Anya and Lloyd went to the mall and won a cruise ship ticket. The coincidence, I don't even know. Somebody down there at the studio, or I'm talking about at the Lloyd where Lloyd works, spy headquarters or something, set all this up. Guaranteed. But they went on the cruise ship. Somehow they are the assassins or whatever already caught up and already listened and found where she's at. Just because she said the son's name. I'm telling you, bro, they too good nowadays. But let's get into this thing. Let's come to the video. We'll do pretty shit. Let's go. Never supportive. Always hating. This guy. Wait, Yorsh is wearing her uniform? Bro, if I was walking down the aisle, is that the Thorn Princess? Oh yeah, I'm out. I'll swim back to shore. Like, no, don't tell me all the information, bro. Because now I'm worried. I'll take it. I don't care. I'm about to get my money's worth. Actually, none of them paid for this. They both got a free trip. Lloyd and Yor. Yeah, he noticed that? Man, didn't you have to turn around? A rookie mistake. You have 30 hours, bro. You don't have to follow them there at that moment. This is what happens when you're a rookie. Bro, you're covering his mouth. How is he gonna answer that? Oh, hell no. I would have lied here. I'd have been, huh. Joke's on you, there's 300 of them on the ship. Good luck. Why would you start laughing? I mean, it's a power play, but Jesus, man. It's a misdirect. Oh, no, that's an assassin for sure. This guy's a rookie too, bro. I would have knocked and then started opening fire. That way they would have been walking up to the door to see who it is. Bro, what happens when you're like in the next room, bro? And you just open your door and look at it like, honey, we need to get off the ship now.
なるべく戦闘を避けてください。念のためマスクで顔を。急いで。すみません、実は激しい夫婦喧嘩でドアを破壊してしまって。はい。
Yeah.
新しい。
So why is there bullet holes? These are all the assassins?
護衛についてるのがもしガーデンのやつだったら一筋縄じゃいかない。
赤子連れの女を片っ端から殺していけば早いだろ。
Thank you. That guy's a psychopath. Thank you. Like, we work for the cause. Scumbag?
逆に目立たないか。
大丈夫です。第2ラウンジで仮面舞踏会が開かれてますから、絶対に外さないでください。
どうすんだ。
移動先を悟られる前に巻きましょう。
大丈夫だろうな。
船尾へ移動中、おそらく第2ラウンジへ向かっている。
来ました。さっき。
感づかれたか。
I didn't even see this guy. Nah, that man's down for the rest of his life.
おい、アンドレ、連中がラウンジに入ってくぞ。見失うな。黒髪はおそらく護衛だ。死角から金髪を狙え。了解。
Now they got the description, bro. It's over.
あら、言うの困ります。
At least he didn't die.
プロムナードを抜ければ2棟エリアです。
お、
この骨のキーホルダー欲しい。
マジでいらん。なぜ船内でそんなものが売ってる。
欲しい。
This guy doesn't understand, bro. It's a souvenir.
しても、そこかしこに盗聴器が仕掛けられているな。
So you noticed.
局員以外にも怪しげな連中を何人か見かけた。
あげたらいいのに。かわいい。
いかん。当然この会話も連中に聞かれているはず。
I don't think it's that deep.
やっぱいらなくて大丈夫。
騒ぎを起こすな。知ったことか。
Hell if I care.
40番ダルク。貴様らままごと殺し屋にくれてやるものか。狙った獲物は必ず刈り取る。
Okay, buddy. Are you guys one of a kind or what?
来たか。
This might be the only guy where if he walks up near me or something, I'm like, oh yeah, that's the assassin.
で母とバトルしようとしてる。
何事だ。夜さん、カエルが嫌いな殺し屋だったのか。それが悪かったよ、アーニャ。この骨を買って帰ろう。
そんなのどうでもいい。こっち来んな。
No, now he's gonna be thinking for the next 6 minutes. It's like, what?
船に乗りたいって言ったのアーニャだし、なんとかしないと。
なんだこの顔は。大な闇が救っているのだ。ずっと傷ついたままなのだ。
Jesus.
いつも的外れ。
何かお探しですか？最近ですとこのロゴ入り T シャツやパーカーなんかが人気ですよ。
それどころではない。今こいつのメンタルを。
父全然わかってない。
あ？
父全然ワクワクしてない。
服試着させていただきたい。てか着て帰ります。
よかったらお申し付けください。
よし。ここで父を閉じ込めて時間稼ぎ。今のうちに母たちを何とかする。
This guy's just, he's still walking? How? Been 40 minutes.
あれ、バトルしない。
In broad daylight?
直前まで殺気を感じなかった。
I hate this show. I hate this show with the goddamn passion, bro. You guys are dragging this on now. It's been like 4 goddamn episodes. Actually, there's only been 2, right? Yeah, that's true. Honestly, I'm liking the continuous story more than just a one-offs. I do enjoy the one-offs, you know, because your story, it's good. It's good, man. It's keeping me intrigued. I'm like, okay. The whole assassins, bro. Yeah, I understand that. Now it's like, hey, buddy, they're supposed to look like average humans. That's why you can't tell they're assassins. But the guy here at the end, I'm like, oh, he has the look like the, you know, the scar, and it's like, okay, he obviously got that from battle. Like every other assassin, you tell me no scratches, no nothing, they're all that good. Man, stop playing, bro. Even Yor got caught slipping once. and she's the Thorn Princess. Like you're gonna get caught slipping, no matter how good you are. So I like that he had a scar. Now, this man's choice of weapon, blade with chains and all that. Like, okay, well, he's making this known throughout the whole boat that he wants to kill somebody. Like, what, sir? Couldn't you just like try to punch her or something on the when you were walking beside them? I know it wouldn't have done that much, but like it would have been less discreet than what you were doing. Lloyd overthinking everything, typical. But I understand his position. Kids must be the most confusing thing in the world to try to understand. Like, what? Why do you need that? You don't need that. We're on a cruise ship. Let's go swimming, hockey. Hockey. Is that the thing? When they like try to push the thing into the middle of the circle. I don't know what it's called. But dancing, parade, buffet. Let's go do something worth our money here. Not this keychain with the bones. So yeah, it's just hard to understand the child mind at the time when you're an adult. And especially since he's like an expert thinker and like he needs every little details to make sense. Oh, sir, no. You're gonna be there for hours. Yours really the best of the best, isn't she? One of the best of the best. The fact that they're knocking off bodies on this ship, they're doing it in a way where it's like kid friendly, which would make sense because I didn't think this show was gonna like, yeah, it's assassins and spies, but they don't really like, I guess they knocked out some people in the first season, didn't they? But this episode, back to back to back, I'm like, God damn. Like that guy was basically getting tortured. He got both his arms broken, then his legs, and then his neck snapped, and then threw in the water. Bro. Imagine if like this boat doesn't have security cameras. I would have been at the men deck security system. I'm watching that. I'm like, that's none of my business. Yeah, have a great episode. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, peace. Bye, bye. Have a great day.